So, okay. Okay, तो मेरे लिए भी काम छोड़ के चला गया. So I'll require 2 minutes more. So let me start directly with the basic background of what I'm going to talk about. We are all looking for expanding our business by selling our product or services, maybe product, services, solution. Yes or no? Yes. You need to answer and be interactive, otherwise it will not be very interesting. So keep your notepad and pen ready. Yes or no? The answer is yes or no? Yes. Yes? Yes. Oh, इतना एनर्जी नहीं लग रहा कि हो गया तो हो गया, चलता नहीं तो नहीं. If it is yes, shout a big yes. Yes. Fantastic. So if that is the case, in your book, write the name of your product, service or brand or company's name and what you're selling. What you're selling under that brand. Write your company, it may be a company name, it may be a brand name or maybe an individual. So whatever it is, put a dash against that, write what you're selling. You may have multiple businesses, but write the business that you're representing here today. Done? Once you're done, please shout done. Done. Fantastic. So I'll give you one more exercise to do. Please look on the screen. Quickly, look at these brand logos, identify them and what they sell. And just below what you've written, start writing the name and what they sell. Okay, quick. Okay, identify the name of the company or brand and then put against that what they are selling. Done? 2, 3. Done? Great. Quick. Seen this logo? Fantastic. Many people are here with this brand. Done? Please write. I want everyone to write. Don't just sit and watch. Yes?
ये नहीं मालूम है.
ये नहीं मालूम है?
ये नहीं मालूम.
Oh, fantastic. Last one. Don't look at me, look at the screen. I'm not as interesting as what is going to come on the screen. देखा? 8 logos? Yes. 8 है ना? Hopefully 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, fantastic. मिल गया? You have written down name or the product or brand and what they sell. लिखा या नहीं? Yes or no? You will get one more roti extra. Please say yes or no. Fantastic. So now let me disclose. Okay? Just check your answers. Nike, mainly shoes but sports goods. Yes or no? Yes. Majorly shoes. Everybody knows by the name shoes. Swiggy, food delivery, grocery delivery and many other services. Yes or no? Yes. Fantastic. Tesla, e-cars rather, electric cars. Rolex, watches. Fantastic. LIC, insurance? Yes or no? Yes. Quick, not short of time. Coca-Cola, soft drinks and many other things. Okay? Apple, majorly phones and machines, iPads and MacBooks. Lego, toys. Fantastic. How many of you got all right? Everything. 8 out of 8. Put your hand straight up. Okay, fantastic. So great. So if you really look at what they say about their product, look at what they say about their product. How do they advertise? You will never find these companies advertising their product. Have you seen Nike advertising a shoe? They'll show a shoe, but they'll never say shoe with this kind of sole and this kind of material. What they say? Just do it. Have you heard this catch line? Yes. I'll just come with the catch line. Swiggy. And what it means by just do it? Emotion, motivation. They push emotions. Swiggy karo, fir jo chahe karo. They never say we deliver food. Yes or no? So what they're selling? They're selling convenience. Do you agree to this? Yes. Okay, Tesla, e-cars. That's what we know about. Driving the future. Luxuries, Mercedes or Rolls-Royce. The future is electric. So they sell future. Nobody wants to go into the past. Yes or no? Yes. Then next, Rolex, a crown for every achievement. That is their catch line. That's why the crown logo. What it sells? Status. It's a status symbol. Crown सबके सर पे नहीं आता है. हम सबके सर पे आएंगे. Don't worry. Insurance. जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी. What are they selling? Not insurance. They are selling peace of mind. Yes or no? हमारे एजेंट्स को भी पता नहीं क्या गारंटी है. Coca-Cola, soft drinks. Open happiness. Yes or no? Taste the feeling. What are they selling? Happiness. They don't say soft drink with itna sugar or itna cola and this. Do they say that? Yes or no? Yes. Lego? Yes, किसने बोला थे? Okay. Lego toys, play well. They don't say enjoy, play well. What does it mean by play well? Be conscious. Okay, they sell creativity. Lego toys are not toys; they are creative products. They don't have toys of Gudiya and Gudda. They have all jigsaw puzzles and building blocks. Yes or no? Yes. So what are they trying to say? Look at all these. Does any of these products talk about, rather any of these brands sell their product directly? करते हैं क्या कोई भी? Apple iPhone. Think different. What does it mean by think different? They are selling innovations. iPhone doesn't sell by the specifications. Yes or no? Itna memory, itna GB. They don't talk at all. That is the Oppo, Vivo kind of products. Do we agree to this? Yes? So finally, how many of you have written all 8 companies' products right? And none of these companies promote product directly. Yes or no? Yes. What are they selling? What are they promoting? All these words in red, what it is more of emotions. They promote emotions. That's why they are at this level. Yes or no? Yes. If they've been selling product, they've been still fighting out in the market with each other. Apple would be fighting with Oppo, Vivo. They don't fight. They don't even think them as competitors. Do we agree to that? Yes. No bad regards to people who have Oppo or Vivo. I'm just trying to compare. So, do you understand this? Where we go, thinking in the wrong direction. I'm not saying everything is wrong, but we can go in the right direction. So I'll tell you 2 things, bitter facts, which we need to realize if we really need to change from where we are today to the level of these brands. How many of us want to go to this brand level? हमको कितने जनों को जाना इस ब्रांड के लेवल पे? Not many. Yes or no? वो मैडम को तो मोबाइल पे बिजी है. मैडम आप Okay, so I'll tell you 2 bitter facts. Take it with a pinch of salt. One is a flawed perception, wrong perception that we have, and one is lovely reality. If you can understand this, you got it right for today evening. Flawed perception is customers buy, please read this. Customers buy product or services. That is a wrong perception that we have in our mind. And what is the lovely reality? People buy emotions. Yes or no? Yes. Look at every product or service that you buy. Do you just buy because it's a product? Unless it is a regular day-to-day product. You buy it for the value that you get in terms of emotions. It satisfies you, it gives you energy, it gives you maybe, as all the brands say, it will give you status, it gives you comfort, whatever it is, convenience. Yes or no? All things connected to emotion. Look at all the top brands, even in India, they will be promoting emotions, not their product directly. On their website, of course, they'll have to mention their products and other details. So do we agree to this now? Yes or no? Yes. So what to say? What I want to say is, please read this, I'll not read. Okay, people don't buy product or services, but they buy benefits of features that matter to them. Stronger the emotional connect to the benefit. You agree to this? जितना हमको इमोशनल कनेक्ट हो जाता है एक प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस हम कुछ भी करते हैं वो लेने के लिए. Yes or no? You find people buying iPhones जरूरत नहीं फिर भी लेकिन because you connect with that technology. Yes or no? Right? You look at your many brands, किसी से भी काम चल जाता है लेकिन why that brand? Because you have connected with that emotionally. Do you agree to this? Yes or no? Good, yes. Energy नहीं आ रहा है यार. Do you agree that product is going to sell or emotion is going to sell? But how do we sell? ये मेरा product है ले लो, ये मेरा service है ले लो. Yes or no? We don't connect emotionally. That's why when we say do one to connect emotionally. Correct?
Yes.
So time to think. Everybody has product or service. Yes or no? है या नहीं हमारे पास product या service कुछ तो है इसके लिए तो हम यहाँ पर है. So what is that one emotional benefit my product or service has to offer? Think today. While you're having your dinner, think. I'll not give you time now, we are running short of time. But think while you eat that roti or that paneer or I don't know what the dish is. So think, what is that one emotional, there may be many, I'm not saying no. But what is that one emotional benefit that my product gives to my customer? Agar nahi hai, we'll fight it out to sell. If there is even one that you can identify in project, I'll tell you the sale is going to be a cakewalk. Do we agree to this? Yes or no? Fantastic. So think and make it a part of all your communication. That emotional connect, make it a part of all your communication. Whether you are doing one-to-one, whether it's a flyer, whether it is a FOD, whatever it is, make it a part of your communication some way or the other. That will make your life of selling or promoting a brand, product, service, whatever, easy. Right? And then experience the change. Once you stop selling your product and try to sell the emotional benefit to your buyer or customer or friend who's going to get, and you experience the difference. Do you feel that will make a difference? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Fantastic. And that is the mindset that I want you all to change from product to emotions. How can I connect with my customer through my product emotionally? And that will make your life much, much more easier. Right? So these three things, please take a note of it. Don't worry, if you don't take a note, I think we'll share it. I have no problem in sharing. Enjoy that and make a difference in your business. Positive difference. Are we all for good? Yes. Yes? Yes. Thank you very much. This is what I want you to understand today.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. That was really lovely and awesome session. Now